Hey y'all, welcome back to Fur and Feathers. So I haven't been on here in a while. Been kind of busy doing some wedding planning. My daughter and now son-in-law got married November the 4th, and I was very busy trying to plan a wedding in just merely 5.5 weeks, but we pulled it off. And they're married. I can kind of breathe just a little bit and maybe shoot some videos. Hey, man. This is my man. He's 15. Yes, hey, my man. He's still hobbling along. Still looks forward to his water every morning so I can feed and water all the critters. All my little guineas, they're waking up this morning. So yesterday morning, which was November the 14th, I woke up early, and I say early, I woke up about 6:30, and I've been watching Molly. Molly is my milk cow, and she's been pregnant the past 9 months, 279 days, and so I got up yesterday morning and went to the barn. And I heard in the stall, meh, meh, meh. I said, something sounds different with Miss Molly Moo because she never moves. She's very quiet. So I happened to look over, and there was a baby. She had just birthed this baby, not even 5 minutes. So we're gonna go in here and see if we can see her. Of course, this baby now is 24 hours old because I didn't think to video. Let's see if I can. Oh, let me go around. Let me go around through the back, and because she's laying down now. So Molly, I just fed Molly, and so Molly's in the stall, and of course Miss Opal. Say hello, Miss Opal. I'm gonna come give the camera some sugar. All right, give the camera some sugar. Oh yes, that was great. Miss Opal is due to calve in March, as well as I can remember. And so Miss Molly Moo calved yesterday. And this is the sweet little baby. Hey, Sook. Hey, little Sookie. We call them little Sookies just because that's what I've always called them. That's what my daddy's always called them. That's all they do is suck. Little Sookies. Come here, little Sookie. Come get up. Come on. See if I can get around, get her face a little bit better. So it is a little girl. So we've got another girl on the farm. I would have taken anything at this point. I would have taken a very healthy calf. She is tiny. She is about the size of Sadie, and Sadie weighs 100 pounds, but I don't think this calf, maybe, it may weigh about 100 pounds. So we'll try to get it, see if I can go through here. We'll try to get it to get up. Molly. Molly's gonna give the camera some sugar. Hey, Molly. Can you tell her to get up, Molly? She says, I just laid down. I went back to the house and got my camera. I just fed. So Molly did good this time. She calved in the stall. She's never calved in the stall. She's always calved out in the pasture. Last year she calved, or not last year, 2 years ago, when she calved Opal. She calved her out in the rain, cold rain. So I was very proud when Molly calved yesterday in the stall. And this morning, the little calf actually did not want to come back in here. She boogied back out, but let's see if I can get her to get up. Molly, can you tell her to get up? Huh? Can you? So I want to get up in that camera. Can you tell her to get up, Molly? Tell her to get up. She may get up if I go out. Tell her to get up. And she's done very well. The last calf, which was Opal, I actually had to milk Molly because Opal was not taking near all the milk. But this baby is taking, she is slurping up that definitely one teat anyway. She may not get up. Come here, little baby. We have not named the baby yet. We usually wait a few days before we name anything, just to make sure it's gonna live, because we don't name things and then they die. That's a little heartbreaking. So let's see if I can, oh. Let's see if we can get her to get up. What y'all say? What y'all say? Oh, she's curious. Oh, there she comes. There she comes. Her's gonna get up. There she is. Look how beautiful that baby is. That baby is just beautiful. She's just got the best little tone of color. She is a solid brown. She has no white on her anywhere. So she took after her daddy, which is a full Jersey. He is a registered, papered Jersey. Molly is not. She is, I'm thinking Molly is, look at that udder. I'm thinking Molly is Jersey and possibly brown Swiss. She is a good milker. She doesn't, let's go outside. She doesn't give a bukus of milk, but she'll give 4 gallons a day. Everybody's interested in the baby. Molly's got that big waddle going on. That bag is swollen. It's not that full. It's not full of milk. It is swollen from birthing. She was very swollen yesterday. And she's gone down some. She'll go on down. I'm not gonna milk anything out of her until she looks like she's really, really full. So she's not full. So Molly brought her out here yesterday in the sunshine and let her kind of dry off and laid in the sun, and just had a wonderful, warm, sunshiny day yesterday for the baby to be born. Yeah. Today, maybe not so much. I think it's supposed to be cloudy all day. Not gonna get to soak up any vitamin D today, baby. So I don't know what we're gonna name her. We'll come up with a name in the next couple of days. My little neighbor that lives across the pond over here, she's 3, and she came over yesterday, and I teased with her because her name is Harper. And I teased with her and said, I think I'll name her Harper. And she thought that was just the grandest idea. So I asked her what she thought I should name the baby, and she first said Whiskers. I'm not sure. We'll figure it out. So yesterday, this baby was very unstable on her feet. All she wanted to do was lay and sleep, which is normal because, I mean, birthing is hard. It's hard on the baby and the mama. Today, she's feeling her little oats, as they say. She's just a little doll. I have a tiny little halter that I'll probably put on her in the next day or so. Come here, little sook. To kind of maybe halter break her and start working with her. I want her to be very tame. She's coming down here in the trash pile. And that's where they stayed, just down here in this corner yesterday. And I know what Molly's saying. She wants to go out in that other pasture. I'm trying to kind of keep her close here in this pasture so we can be close to the barn. And Molly lost her afterbirth yesterday, about a couple hours after the calf was born, and the buzzards have started flying around. They're still flying this morning. Got to go get rid of that, the rest of that afterbirth. I won't show you anything gory on here. So you'll be seeing a lot of little baby calf. Come here, Sookie. Come here, little Sook. Oh, she's gonna come up to me. Molly's like, no, you're not. Oh, there she goes. All right. Her's tired. You can kind of see Molly's udder now. So this teat, the closest to me, the calf has completely emptied her, and the one over in the front, farthest, it's not full, but it's still got some in it. So right now it's colostrum. So her milk has not come in. So as far as getting some good milk from Molly right now, we're not gonna do that. I'll wait about 2 or 3 weeks before I start milking. And then I'll take the calf away from her long enough to get some milk, and then put the calf back on her, and that'll be a daily routine for a while. Look at her little nose. It must be hitting a itchy spot. Every time Molly licks that back, she wrinkles up that nose. Just precious. Another one of God's miracles. Molly, you did good. We're figuring Molly's about 8 or 9 years old. And I can't remember how many calves she's already calved. Seems like this may be the 6th one. Not positive, but I think it's her 6th one. So milk cow, you can breed back every 3 months, or 3 months after she calves, sorry. So they stay in milk all the time, but I don't do that. In fact, we just bred Molly back when Opal was 1.5 years. So, and Molly, I mean, she'll produce milk for about 2 years after she calves. So I don't want to wear her out, but this may be her last calf. But we're not getting rid of Molly. Molly will be here forever on Fur and Feathers. All right, I thought I would give y'all a little snippet of our newest little member on the farm. Tell everybody bye. Thanks for watching.